One additional thing that we need to check to ensure that the schedule is of quality is how extreme the forward wave is. So we've all been there where we can put detailed planning into the most recent period of time, but things near the back end of the program are at a much higher level just because, for example, design has not been completed. We can check that in the system. So if we go into progress and into track and go to activities per day, we can see what the plan versus actual is for activities per day. So for example, the baseline of this program was to have a large amount of activity early on and then going down into lower levels of activity. What has actually happened is this level, and the current plan, so the forecast from the update, is saying that this will be the profile. Now, obviously, we can do that at any level. So if I click on construction, it will show me the activities per day for the construction WBS. And any of these bars can be manipulated. So I can just say, I'm interested in this component here, and I'm interested in these components there. It is your choice. Now, for the data scientist in you, there is an additional screen. You can go to Visualize and to Connections. And what this does is it gives you an area where you can go down into more detail. What I'd be looking at here is active tasks. So I can see the profile of active tasks at any one point in time. This program does not have a forward wave. I know this because I've examined the program in more detail, so I've confirmed it. But here we can see that actually the active task limit is generally consistent across time and creates a nice S-curve throughout it. Obviously, commissioning and handover at the end has a lower element of activity, but in general, the bulk of the program is consistent.